Okay, this is Caleb Muscus for my capstone project. So this is the current design. This is my capstone project that I came up with. So first, I'm just going to show you that it just works for generally, goes to Main Street and then goes yellow. It's just going to go through these clock cycles. Right here, you're going to see, this is going to tell us what state we're in right here. That's just there, so it's very much a lot easier to tell what state we're in. And as you can see, it's just going to go progressively through those states. So on our reset just goes back to all lights are 0. And because all lights are 0, it's going to take us to double red. The next important thing probably is set. You're going to see this is just state 7. This right here is just in the event that, like, some random thing happened, like a single alpha particle hits all 3 of these switches. So, but once we run a single clock cycle, it's just going to go back to that sequence of 2, 3, 4, and then 5. It's just going to go through that same sequence. The 1-0 function, which is going to be it just flashing yellow on Main Street and red on Side Street, that's going to work right there. And even from that output right there, it's just going to immediately go back to here. And then if we go to that state again, from here, if we go to double 1, it's going to actually switch sides. It's going to go Side Street, Main Street, and it's going to continue flashing like that. That is going to be my double 1 function. And then this one right here is just going to be that double red. And then if from here, interestingly enough, I have the state transition diagram. So from here, it's just going to immediately go to the next state and then just start flashing it from here. And in fact, if I actually go about and actually just make it so that this is a logic wires, just a clock input, we're going to be able to see this a lot more effectively. If we just make this a clock input, that way I can just show you this in real time, that it is going to work just through multiple different clock cycles. Yep, this is what the clock is going to show there. Let's get it from... this might be a little difficult. Let's get it from this state right there. Immediately double red. And then again on that reset. On that reset, it's just going to immediately go into this function. And then here it's just going to immediately, sorry, still highlighted, immediately go into double red. And then immediately here. And that's just going to be my capstone. Good luck, have fun grading all of these. I wish you the best.